What's going on, man? Dave here, and I'm coming to you from the beautiful country of New Zealand, and I got a quick question for you. Are you getting the kinds of girls you really want? If not, well, join the club, bro, because the majority of guys fail to attract the kinds of girls they really desire, and they end up settling for someone far below their standards. Now, if you're tired of settling or your dating life isn't going quite as well as you want it to, then listen close, because today I'm going to give you 7 reasons why you're failing with girls, and I'm going to tell you how to fix each one. Sound good, man? Let's do it. Number 1, you take rejection personally. Listen, man, rejection is inevitable, even for the best guys. Hell, you see me go out and get shrugged off by Japanese girls. You've seen German girls tell me they have a boyfriend. You see me get rejected in all types of ways. It happens all the time. I know it's part of the game, so it doesn't affect me. The problem, though, is when you start taking rejection personally and you start thinking that the girls are rejecting you for who you are. That's when it starts becoming a self-fulfilling prophecy and you get rejected again and again and again. Here's a quick lesson from my door-to-door sales days. So there'd be days where I'd go out and I'd get rejected 50 times in a row. I'd have people slamming the door in my face, getting pissed off at me. Hell, I'd have less luck than a Jehovah's Witness. But then I could go out the next day and hit up the same neighborhood, the same types of doors, and I could get 5 yeses in a row. They could feel the energy and the enthusiasm in my vibe versus the previous day where I just kind of felt like shit. They weren't rejecting me, they were rejecting my attitude and my approach. And let's flip it back over to you. When a girl rejects you, you're only talking to her for a few minutes, maybe even a few seconds. She can't reject you for who you are. She doesn't know you yet, bro. But she can reject the way you approach her. So instead of taking it personally, like a lot of guys do, consider what you can learn from the interaction and how you can use it to improve your future approaches. But yeah, we're hopping outside for point number 2. I got a real cool view to show you guys. Check this out. You guys ready? Here you go. We are at the top of this huge hill. It's kind of annoying because every time I want to go anywhere, I have to walk like, I don't even know how far up this big ass hill, but you know what? It's worth it for the view. Anyway, it's time for number 2, and that is that guys blame women. So you ever get rejected by a girl and think like, oh, what a bitch. I can't believe she just did that. I deserve better. It happens to the best of us, man. And it's easy to point the finger at the girl for not liking you. But you gotta understand, high quality women are attracted to high quality guys. And if she doesn't think you're a high quality guy, she's probably not gonna be into you. So don't blame women for rejection. Instead, take responsibility for your life. If you're not happy with the way you look, if you're not happy with what you see in the mirror, then start going to the gym and improving your style. If you're not happy with your career, start learning new skills to improve your income and your lifestyle. Damn, it's windy out here. But yeah, it's kind of on you, man. You gotta start making these changes if you want to get the highest quality girls. Because here's the truth, man. When you're really genuinely happy with who you are and happy with your life, then high quality women are gonna be drawn to you. But yeah, if you're tired of not getting the kind of dating success you want, then make sure to check out my free flirting video course. In it, you're gonna learn the exact things to say to flirt with girls and get dates. All you gotta do is click the I in the top right corner or the link in the description to get instant access to that video series right now. I've made it to the top of this windy ass hill, and it's time for number 3, and that is you're afraid to look stupid. If you wanna get good at anything in life, you're gonna have to look stupid for a while. That's part of the process of going from bad to good, but a lot of guys are petrified of this though. That's why they hit the bar, get smashed on alcohol, and use that as an excuse when they go up and approach a girl like, oh bro, I was just cocked out of my mind, like I don't even know what I was saying. And they just do it. They don't want to look stupid. They want that excuse. Don't be afraid of looking stupid though. Be okay with it. Matter of fact, embrace it. Be okay with occasionally saying something dumb and getting a harsh rejection. Be okay with tossing your ego to the side and asking some more experienced guys for advice. Sure, some guys might be sitting on the sidelines and laughing at you, but you're gonna be the one laughing in the end when you're the one getting the hottest girls and they're the ones with their dick in their hands trying to figure out what the hell you're doing. Anyway, man, I'm freezing my ass off and I'm starving. Let's head down the hill and get a meat pie. Their shit is famous in New Zealand. Trust me, let's check it out.
The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go.
Alright guys, this is the authentic New Zealand meat pie right here. Top comes right off too, like Jaden at the Super Bowl. That's good shit. Let's give it a try. Meat pie was alright, not great, a little bit dry, and I think my search for the perfect New Zealand meat pie will continue. Number 4, you give up too quickly. A lot of guys tell me shit like, I've tried approaching girls in the street. I did it 2 times a few weeks ago and it didn't work. Of course, man. Success takes time and patience. For example, I just had a very mediocre meat pie and I could give up right now and never try another meat pie again for the rest of my life. But I know there's like 200 other bakeries around here with potentially great meat pies, so I'm not giving up just yet. You gotta realize improvement is a lifelong process. So instead of just giving up straight out, think of ways where you can improve. Maybe it's even small ways at first, but those small incremental things are gonna build up over time and make you awesome. And if you wanna keep improving with girls, then you already know, bro. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell, because I'm putting out new videos every week to help you talk to girls and crush it at life. Anyway, it's getting really cold and a little too windy out here, so I'm gonna head back up to the crib for number 5. Let's do it. By the way, this is one of the biggest universities here in Wellington, New Zealand, and this shit looks straight up like a prison. Like that. Like I would not want to be going to school there. We're back in the crib for number 5, and that is, you don't understand the concept of value. If you offer no value to somebody, they have no reason to have any sort of relationship with you, whether it's a friend, a girlfriend, whatever, and vice versa. You're not gonna wanna hang out with them either. Now, value can come in the form of power, status, money, you know those ones, but it can also come in the form of things like knowledge, connections, relatability, personal qualities, and things like that. It's basically the unique benefits that somebody gets from hanging out with you. So how do you flip the value equation in your favor? Well, you're gonna start creating value in your life. So you can start doing things like being more social and expanding your network, getting a job that fulfills you a lot more, being more adventurous and having new experiences, and even developing your sense of humor, because let's face it, girls love a guy who can make them laugh. Then you gotta display that value in your interactions with women, and that is a little bit more subtle. The way you dress, your mannerisms, and the way that you talk about yourself all play into how you display value. Number 6, you hang out with shitty dudes. If you hang out with unconfident dudes who don't go out, are broke, and settle for girls below their standards, then bro, those guys are gonna drag you down quicker than Khalil Mack on a quarterback. If you look at my group of friends, pretty much every single one of them is socially intelligent, entrepreneurial, and focused on self-improvement, and a lot of them are pretty wealthy too. We all continuously help each other level up, whether it's my buddy David with YouTube, my buddy Danny with business. We're always helping each other to improve. But when you hang out with shitty dudes, well, the opposite happens. So stop hanging out with shitty dudes and start finding some new quality friends. And if you want some help with that, then make sure to check out this video right here. It's all about how to find quality friends. Finally, number 7, you make excuses. Now, there's a lot of things in this world that can get you laid. Excuses are not one of them. Things like, girls don't like me because of X thing that I can't control, or girls only like him because he has cars and money, or because he's tall and good looking. It's like, nah, man, girls don't like you because you're full of shit. Now, if you catch yourself making excuses, then think about this. Somewhere out there, there's a guy who's uglier than you, who makes less money than you, but who's dating a girl that you think is out of your league. This guy's not making excuses, he's just putting in work. Excuses don't help you with women. What does help is taking action, constantly improving yourself, and becoming a better man who doesn't need excuses. Alright man, if you're guilty of any of these things, then don't sweat it, but start fixing it as soon as possible. It's gonna help you a lot with your dating life and in your life in general. Now, if you'll excuse me, I got some crazy New Zealand adventures to go on, so I'll talk to you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and slam that notification bell so you don't miss it. And I'll see you soon. Peace.